In this video, I will show you how to remove a watermark from a photo in Canva. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, as you can see, I've currently got this photo loaded up and you can see there's a watermark that I want to remove. Now, to do this, once you've got your photo, what you want to do is give it a click to select it, and then you're going to get this toolbar appear at the top. Now on here you want to click onto edit, and what that's going to do is load up some options on the left hand menu. From here look for the Magic Studio option, and what you want to do is click onto Magic Eraser. What you can now do is use the brush, so it's like a brush tool, to select the watermark, and you can change the size to make it bigger or smaller. You just want to click, hold down your left mouse button and drag this over the watermark just like you can see here. Now once you've done this, you're going to notice on the left hand side there is an auto detect tool you can use as well. So if you go ahead and turn this on, this is going to automatically detect what you want to remove. Now this doesn't work amazingly, but it does do a good job of selecting the watermark, and once you've done that, just come and click onto the erase button. At this point it's going to take a minute or two, and then it's just going to go ahead, as you can see, and remove the watermark. If any parts that it's missed, all you need to do is simply repeat the process. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and we're just going to delete this bit down here. So again, I'm going to click the auto detect and then click onto erase. You just want to keep repeating this basically until it fully removes the watermark, and that is how to remove a watermark from a photo in Canva. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.